Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change input via the OSD menu on your Acer XB241H. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the second button right here and go for the input with the same button. Now scroll down using the second button to this wrench right here. Now press the fourth button in order to access the settings, and from here you can change the input by pressing on the fourth button first, and you're able to change it with the pressing the second or third button, one of these, like that. After you pick the one that you want to use, simply press the fourth button and change it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.